Hey guys, working on a 2007, no, this is a 2005 Hyundai Santa Fe with the 2.7 liter, and we have a bad belt tensioner pulley, so we're going to replace the entire tensioner, the whole entire tensioner with the pulley as well. Let's get started here. From the way this thing looks, you can definitely do this job without jacking it up. But if you have only one means of taking the belt tensioner off, meaning you're using this, it may be a good idea to jack the car up and take the little side cover off right here, because when you take the tension off of the pulley, the tensioner is going to want to go all the way out, and you could end up kind of leaning up against this is fine, but you don't want to lean up against any AC hoses or anything, okay? And we're going to just grab it like this and peel this forward. As I do that, I'm going to take off this power steering pulley at the top right here, right there. Now as I let this out, notice that it's going to want to lean. So what I'm doing here is I'm slowly taking off my piece of pipe, and now I can just let it go. Okay, good. What size? There are two bolts here and here. Let's see what size they are. Okay, these are 12 millimeters using a stubby 12. I mean a 12 with a stub on it. There she goes. She's coming. Okay, before I remove this bolt, I'm gonna loosen up the secondary one. There she goes. I feel like I'm on it. Yeah. Alright, that's one. And she's out too. Kind of arch it down a little bit and it comes out. Tucks underneath. So for that reason, oh, look at that, the timing belt. Okay. See how I'm going to pull this out here. There you go. There she goes. Kind of drop her down towards the bottom of the motor and walk her underneath of the harmonic balancer. There you go. And as you walk it underneath with the harmonic balancer, you can kind of fish it right here. And she's out. Pull it. You know how noisy that is? Very loud. Super duper quiet, and that's exactly what we want to have. Now make sure you get yourself a new Serpentine belt. I'll put the part number in the description, but the reason why you really want to get a new Serpentine belt for this, and you can see that's perfect, and we're starting to crack. That's a little hard to see, and we're starting to crack in a couple places more. So you want to replace this because, as you see here, the mount like blocks you from actually putting the belt, like taking it off. I'm actually not very sure how you would take this belt off without completely removing the tensioner again. So I think this is the perfect time to get a new Serpentine belt for this situation. I'll put the belt description, the belt diagram up as I put this back in. There you go. New belts can be kind of stiff, so what I kind of did was I prematurely walked the belt around all the other pulleys to kind of straighten this out. Now with the belt in here like this, I'm going to prepare to bolt this back up. Thin bolts, no need to kill them. Couldn't tell you the torque spec, but it couldn't be over 20 foot-pounds. And that felt good right there. Over torque these, over tighten these, and strip anything out. Feels good. Good, it's like that. Now, what you do here is run your hand through all the belts, through all the pulleys. Make sure we are fully seated everywhere. Okay, like that. Take the cap off and put the cap back on, kind of hold it in place. And there's, if you have them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that many 10 mils. I only have these two here, so I'm gonna put these on. And that's it. Okay, let's start her up and see how she sounds. And boom, she's running like a bird. Nice and quiet. Well, we're all done here. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out.